How to change here in Microsoft Word calendar template. So first, you simply need to open up a blank document. Once you're there, go to Files, then go to New. Then click on the search button right here, then type in Calendar. And when you're finding a calendar, you just simply need to click on it and read the description. So make sure that it says that macros are enabled or validated on that particular calendar so that you could easily change the year and the dates that, and it will also update all of the months or dates that is in the template. So let's say this one, it it has macros that have been validated by Microsoft. So just simply click on create. As you can see, you could select the calendar dates right here. So you could select which year that you want. So let's say I want 2027. Click on OK. And as you can see, it all updates to 2027. So if you don't have macros validated on your template, you need to manually set each date, and that could take a lot of time. So these macro valid templates are better, of course, than the ones that are not. And that is basically it.